Guys, do you want to make your PDF a one-stop solution? Now I am here with the Wondershare PDF element where you can enjoy Valentine offer as well. So let's get started with this offer, that one-stop solution for PDF reading and managing. You can download the application. You will come to the interface like this PDF element where you are going to create account using Google email. And next you will also check there are a lot of tools, new feature that has came here, receipt recognition. We are going to get the assistant using AI model where you can easily click on the recognize. This is the process where it will also be successfully done. After that you can also go for edit option. There is summarize. There is a lot of document that you should not spend a lot of time. You just give your PDF here in the AI assistant, then you can also get the main summarization using AI model. After that, if you want to upload into the PDF element cloud space, that is also going to be offering you. For that you can also click on the three dot and there are also the upload option. You have to click on the upload and there you have to put the name and other details and it will be done. Even you can also make your signature, or you want to place in that voucher, you can also go for stamp option too. In this way you can also share it, upload it, and you can save your time using this is Wondershare PDF element. Even you are also going to install it into your PC, into your laptop, so easily you can get that login. You have already account because you are going to sync from mobile to PC. It's mean that you can also come to this option PDF element cloud. We have already uploaded that profile we have made, and now it is also the profile that we are going to open. The same profile we can easily import it. Yes, here we can also do the same process. Here you can also select what the profile we have already uploaded recently. I have shown you. You can click on the three dot and open it, and in this way you can also check our profile is going to be open. And now we have an interface where you can also check. There is also chat with PDF or chat with AI. So you can also chat with PDF select, and if you want to import, like you want to make cloud, and then you can easily do ahead with this email what you have already. Now we are going to summarize using PC. It's mean on the system you can do the same process. It take just seconds. And what is your document and how much it has pages, it doesn't matter, just you have to upload it and then you will also get the best summarize. Even you can also know the map thinking using Wondershare PDF element. This is one stop where you can sign, where you can edit, you can convert. Even there are desktop, mobile and web platform accessible across their many platforms. It's mean that you are working with the fast, and this is going to time save you, where you can edit and do uploading on cloud, and wherever you are you can easily access to it. So this is how you are going to know about the exact detail by just giving the number. And you can even verify what is invoice number. You can also check here invoice number are the same. So in this way you can also check out the information about the PDF as well as in the document. So how it is working actually, where you are going to edit, there are many tools like compress from one format to another. There you can add the text, you can remove text, you can change the format, and there in the left side there are also multiple tools where you can export into PDF and any other. So you want to add something another, you can do it. Now we are going to come on the recipient. There you can also check what the profile we have already created. Now it's time to go on, and this is what we have already saw and the mobile interface, and now it is exact same. And now if you want to come, the what are the many tools, we are coming into PDF element and we want to import and export into our Excel file. For that we can also check there are cloud file, there are also share. Now recipient profile as recipient assistant, where you need to click on the import option, and then we can come into PDF cloud because we are going to taking the same exact file we have already created in our mobile, and this is the open option, and now it is importing. Now you can check out there is no data, but we need to extract from the slip. So we have to click on the extract option, and there it takes only some seconds, and after that we have extracted the value from the receipt we have already made it, and now it's time to export. You have to click on the export option, and it will also be selected. Put the name, what the name is should be unique, what name you want to save, and I have given here as the company name, and now it has been saved. We have to click on the save option, and after that you will also check out the place in your PDF, and we can easily open it. So we are going to click on the profile, and now it's working, it's perfect. In the Excel form we can also do separation, we can recognize different model, and this is all PDF tool you need in just a single interface. I have shown you about the smart PDF solution simplified by AI, where you convert, edit, sign, or you can do more operations on a single interface using the Wondershare PDFelement. Yes, ChatGPT chat with flexible AI model, and you can upgrade your profile as well. So I hope you understand about this platform, what I have shown you in a complete details as step by step using mobile phone, web, or even in the software on PC. You can try it now and enjoy and share your thought in comment box. See you next time. Till then, take care.